And I'd like to welcome you guys back to another episode of Wealth Wise Guru. And I'm your host, John Shaft. And it is Tuesday morning, June the 24th, 2025. And we are about an hour and a half just past the opening of the bell, almost 2 hours. And we are to the stock portfolio is up this morning about $1,020.44. And it has a value on it for $74,666.09. I have 213 items in my portfolio. And so let's go ahead and get into the morning brief. Investor segment is rising as a ceasefire between Israel and Iran boosts confidence, while Tesla's new service excites investors. The market are experiencing a positive shift today, primarily driven by the announcement of a ceasefire between Israel and Iran, which has elevated investors' concerns about geopolitical tensions. This development has led to a rise in stocks, index future, and a general uplift in market segments. Technology stocks, particularly Tesla, are leading the charge with significant gains following the launch of the driverless robo-taxi service in Austin, Texas. This innovation has sparked excitement among investors, contributing to a notable increase in Tesla's stock price. Meanwhile, the energy sector is seeing mixed results, with crude oil prices declining, easing inflation worries, and further supporting market optimism. And you got the up-and-coming events on 6/28. You got the Federal Reserve meeting. The Federal Reserve up-and-coming meeting will be closely watched as investors anticipate potential changes in interest rates, which could significantly influence market dynamics. 7/01, you got the employment report. The release of the monthly employment report is crucial as it provides insights into job growth and economic health, impacting investor segment and market directions. 7/15, you got the earnings season begin. The start of the earnings season will be probable as companies report their quarterly results, shaping the expectation for future performance and influencing stock prices. The U.S. stock futures rise as Israel and Iran ceasefire announcement. The U.S. stock index future increase following President Trump's announcement of a ceasefire between Israel and Iran, elevating the market feels. This development is crucial as it reduced geopolitical tensions that have negatively impacted global risk assessment. Crude oil prices plunged over 7% amid easing conflicts. Crude oil prices dropped significantly as traders reassess the risk of supply disruptions following the ceasefire announcement. The decline is important as it eases inflation's concerns and positively impact stock market segments. Tesla shares surged over 10% with launch of the robo-tax service. Tesla shares stock rose sharply after the company launched its driverless robo-tax service in Austin, Texas. This is significant as it marks a major expansion into new business lines, boosting investors' confidence. So that's going to do it for your morning briefs, and hopefully this ceasefire between Israel and Iran will continue. But I must say already this morning, Israel has already committed a major violation with the ceasefire, and that's why you kind of seeing the market now starting to take a dip this morning. We are investing this morning $20,484. It's up this morning by 5:05, and on yesterday evening and overnight, I was up to like 21 plus thousand investing. And like I said, Israel has violated a major agreement when it comes to the ceasefire. But President Trump is trying to get them back on track. But still, we are still up this morning about $504.68. And I think Robinhood just rolled out a new feature to where they if you just put your money in an account, they will invest for you. It's like a professional service, and I think you have to sign up for it. So actually, I have actually two profiles. And if you go up here to where it say investing, and you click, and then your two profile will come up once you sign up for both of them. And so this is my main profile with the $20,800 and some dollars reinvesting. And my other profile is this one right here. And so what I do, I let them handle the investment part of this particular profile, and it's automatic, and they invest in what they think is very profitable for this particular profile. Right now, they got me like 99.26% invested in U.S. bonds. So let's click on that. And these are the U.S. Treasury bonds that they have me automatically investing in. And like I said, this is my second profile on Robinhood. And you too could sign up for this. And just let them automatically invest for you. All you have to do is just fund the account. And I got an iShares here, which is 0 to 3 months Treasury bonds trading at $100 even in 64 cents. Right now I have 0.72 shares of it with a market value of $72.75. It's 59.69% of my portfolio. And like I say, this is automatic. I have it. They offered this program, to me to to have a second profile, and they automatically invest in the best stocks that they think is for my particular profile. So I actually have now two open profiles with Robinhood, two accounts. Next up is Vanguard. I got Vanguard also. This is the bond, short ultra bond, ETF bonds. Right now it's trading at 49.81 cents. It's up by 3 cents. It's 0.49 shares of it. Market value of $24.55. And let's see. Okay, so I have. Let's see how many I got in here. It's 1, 2, 3, 5. I have four bonds that is invested in. Then they have the this one here is IG floating rate ETF. It's only up. It's trading at 25.48. It's only up by 1 cent. With 0.48 shares of it, with a market value of $12.29. And so if you guys are welcome to also make yourself a second account as well with Robinhood, if you are trading with Robinhood. Janssen Henderson, another ETF, but is trading at $50.72. It's actually down by just a little bit, at 0.24 shares of it, with a market value of just $12.28. And so, like I said again, this is set up to where they automatically invest for you, and all you have to do is just set the account up, and they're going to pick which is the best strategy for you. Like I say, you just go to the top here and click on where they say investing. Click on that, and then this pops up. So let's get back to my main investment account. Let's go here. And so let's see. I'm trying to see if I can get some more money out of this and put it into my main and to that automatic investment account. So this is Google Alphabet Class A. It's trading at 167.74. It's actually up this morning by $2.55. Has a market value of $16.86. So let's take $100 out of this. So let's take let's take $50 out of this. And so this should give me $50 buying power. So let's go back up here and switch over to this here. And let's see if we add some more money to this. Let's see, let's go here. So I had to figure out how to transfer money over to this. So doesn't look like it's gonna let me do what I want to do. So I just have to figure this out later on how to, because I know I did it just the other day. Oh boy, it's kind of difficult trying to do stuff like this online. Let's just go back to this my account here, and we let's see. I just have to figure it out later on. It's a way you can transfer money from your buying power to that other account. The way you can fund it from your regular account. But either way, I figured it out, and probably make another video on it. But you can also fund your second account from your first account. I just had to figure out how to make that deposit into that account. Right now, it's kind of difficult trying to do this when you're holding a cell phone when you're trying to make a video of it. But either way, stocks is up this morning, $1,033.82. Tesla is trading at 343.21. It's down this morning by $5.36. I'm in advanced mode now. Advanced mode is this. Advanced mode, it gives you a look at the stock and the candlesticks. That way you can make better informed decisions when you are investing in the advanced mode. This more like a day trading sedative. If you want to learn how to day trade, you simply just buy where the market is currently trading at, right there. And you hit buy. Okay, so since I don't have enough buying power, I had to make a deposit. So you make a deposit and then you turn around and watch it as it goes up, and then whether you're satisfied with whatever profit it has entered into for the day, then you turn around and hit sale. And then once you hit sale, then this will be automatic credit back into your portfolio. This particular sale was going to be one share, which is worth $343. And so I'm not going to implement this. I'm just showing you guys what you can, the power of what you can do with investing in the different strategies and platforms that Robinhood offers. Again, you just hit whatever company you're interested in, which is Tesla for me, and I'm in advanced mode. And so I would just click on advance, and then this will pop up, and this gives me a better idea if I want to make a particular trade. This is giving me a more informed decision of what the stock is actually doing. Right now it's at $3.44. Well, actually, yeah, $3.44. And if I want to buy it, I would buy it in right here, and then I would put in my lock sale prices, which is right here. I would put it in maybe at a different level. But what you actually do is just sit there and watch it. If you have time, you have to sit this day trading, so you have to sit there and just watch it, see what it's doing, and whether or not you are satisfied with the profits of that stock for the day. Then once you're satisfied with it, see, then you hit sale. See, and then that would be my profit if I was to implement this particular strategy. It would be $344.08. And you can do this with any stock that you have in your portfolio. Again, I'm in advanced mode. I don't know if advanced mode is available for everybody or not. I just know I'm in advanced mode because I have been doing this for a while, and I am sort of a advanced trader. Not only do I do regular trading, I do day trading. I do regular equity trading. I do futures trading. I do a lot. I do just about everything that can be done in investing in the stock market. But like I said, I'm not a professional. I'm just a guy that's still learning. And so I actually got into the stock market in my early 50s. And also this Friday I'll be turning 63. So I've been in it for about 10 years now. So it's never too late to start investing and learning how the stock market works. My only regret is that I didn't get into this 20 and 30 years ago. Had I got into this 20 and 30 years ago, I would probably be a millionaire already. I know, easily. But you guys are still young, and you got time on your hands. There's no excuse nowadays for you not to get rich, not to have generational wealth with everything that's available to you guys nowadays, including the YouTube channel. You can make money just from a YouTube channel, and have that YouTube channel fund your stocks. So if you do that and you have a YouTube channel and that channel is successful, don't go out and start buying all kinds of overpriced automobiles and things like that. But what you do, you turn around and put that money in the stock market and let that money continue to grow. And then you let your investments, because that's what you're doing when you are investing in the stock market. You let your investments that you have in the stock market pay for your toys that you want. Whether it be a nice car, automobile, motorcycle, boat, house, or you just want to put your kids through school, you let your investment pay for that. S&P is up this morning, $5.84, trading at 605. I currently have 1.7 shares of it with a market value of $1,039. Let's go back up a little bit. Netflix is trading at $1,279.34. And as you can see, it's also, all of it is in advanced mode for me. You just simply click on advanced and this pops up. And then it gives you a better idea what that stock is doing. And I use the candlesticks, and you just see what the next move is, whether or not it's going to go up or go down. You can tell by just looking at the candlesticks. And you just click buy, and you buy at that current rate, which is 12.80. And then as it goes up, and then you can just click sell, and then you make yourself a profit. Robinhood has made investing pretty doggone easy. Like 30, 40 years ago, if you wanted to invest in the stock market, you had to go to a broker's office. Because we just had cell phones. Cause cell phones came out, and I was pretty close to 30 when cell phone came out. I think I was actually about 27, 28, something like that when cell phone came out. And they called it, back then it was called a bag phone, and they wanted a smartphone as they are today. It was just a regular bag phone where you can make calls across the country or where have you. And the only thing is, it was very expensive because there wasn't nothing to get a cell phone bill back then. With the price tag going up $500 or $600 a month, even $700 and $800 a month. I just was talking on the phone, and like I said, it wasn't even smartphones back then. It wasn't until years later when they come out with these smartphones. So now you're able to do everything you want on a phone. And actually, these are not phones. Actually, these are small handheld computers, and but you can talk on them like a cell phone, or like a phone, which is a cell. It is a cell phone, and you can also trade and do all kinds of things with these magnificent devices. Let's see, Microsoft is actually up this morning by $4.40. Actually trading at $4.90. I had 1.09 shares of it with a market value of $538.47. S&P Y, and look at the S&P Y. It's up this morning about $5.75. Actually trading at 605.89. And let's see, I have 1.7 shares of it with a market value of $1,069. Nvidia is actually up this morning by $2.62. I currently have 104 shares of it with a market value of $15,691. So far this morning, I made $284 total, just under $2,000. And you can actually build up your portfolio, man, and where you can live off your portfolio. I know people with $2, $3, $4 million portfolio. And they can buy anything they want, man, with their portfolio. You build it up to that amount of money, that amount of profit. Pioneer is actually up this morning by $1.90. It's trading at 141.82. Have 167 shares of it with a market value of $23,788. So for this morning, return is $313. So between this stock and Nvidia, I already made up about $600-700. That's just between those two stocks, and that's not including Google. Look at Google again. See, Google is at 16,000. And see, it's up by $2.47. And I made $245 this morning just from Google. Total $691. See, so yeah, I actually make more money in the past couple of years being retired than I did working, and I had a commercial cleaning service. I also had a law enforcement background. Like when I was younger, I was in law enforcement for a while. I was a sheriff's deputy, and I went from being a sheriff's deputy to a correction officer, and I was a state trooper cadet for the state of Alabama. And so that's going to do it for today's video. Hopefully I have said something to encourage you guys, or show you how to invest in the stock market, and as you continue your journey to building generational wealth. And if you're still young, man, you have nothing but time on your hands. So take advantage of it. Don't wait till you get to be middle age before you start taking advantage of things like this. The sooner you take advantage of it, the sooner you can start enjoying the wealth that you are building. Again, you are viewing another episode of WealthWiseGuru, and if nothing else significantly happens today, then I will see you guys again on Wednesday morning at the opening of the bell. Until then, may all your trades be a good one. Have a good and blessed day. Be safe as you travel to and fro, whether you're going to work, school, or what have you. And we'll see you guys again back here on Wednesday morning at the opening of the bell. And again, we thank you for watching.
You got to stop driving me crazy like this. I'm out of my mind most of the time.